Welcome back, baby dolls. The pDAI story has continued. I'm going to go through this post here from Mr. DcentraliseMe from the pDAI community out here. Now, actually, friends, there's been two big twists to the story. So there is right now, as you know, Widget has done a tweet on pDAI. It is his 34th tweet on pDAI in the past 30 days. It's tweet number 34. Right, and he's basically said the pDAI cancer may be coming to an end, okay? This is a bit crazy, okay? So Mr. DcentraliseMe, he outlined his guess of events. Now, he seems to be correct, but there were some twists to the story, okay? And these twists, right, I'm going to show you now pretty much what he was doing, okay? So let's firstly read his post here. So bizarrely, we keep going along the order of events I set 3 weeks ago, but not how I expected. Okay, so what we'll do is let's read through his events, all right? He said in 1 to 2 weeks, okay, this is when he posted it. Panic. The powers that continue to spread FUD amongst the community, pointing to the exploit, selling pDAI, and using strong, scary language. That's actually what happened. That was that 1 to 2 week period out here, which I'll show you. Let's put it on a daily chart. So that's pretty much it. Was they go the exploit, strong language, like the exploiter, okay? So he basically said, okay, that's pretty much that was happening. He goes, but then he had a guess, right? He goes, 2 to 4 weeks, panic for some, reassurance for others. The team has enough pDAI and clears the remaining bad debt. But now someone is buying PMaker tokens and seizes control of the protocol. Now, if you remember, that's why this story's taken a big twist, friends, because we're watching pDAI, we're watching the PulseChain pioneers, and they're doing something with Maker. We thought there's going to be a benevolent takeover of Maker. That's what we just naturally thought. We go, okay, I guess you're just pointing here, you're interested in it to participate there, okay? Then he says, the tune will change, which I'll show you now, 6-7 weeks. The tune changes. And he says, the big man, Richard, points out that the exploit has been resolved. Maybe he can come in and save the day. Then we get Pump City. Then there's front ends, lending protocols, staking. Everything we've been tracking comes to light. The big man saves the day by providing backing collateral. Okay, so this is interesting. So he says the pDAI issue was resolved, but here's the big kicker: by shutting down PMaker. Let's play some PUBG music. That was a big twist. That was a big twist. We actually got mogged by Caddy's big strap on. Okay, so that was a twist. Okay, so we're like, okay, you're looking at MakerDao. We thought they're going to take over it, and then they're going to get all the Maker tokens, and they're going to vote to fix the oracles and stuff. That's what we thought naturally was going to happen. Okay, instead, that's to fix the minting. Okay, to fix the minting. That's not how the twist played out. The twist played out where they just shut down the whole MakerDao. Literally just shut it down. Because they activated the emergency stability module or whatever, and then the emergency module, you can't mint pDAI, you can't burn pDAI. You can't mint it. You stopped it. No one can mint it. Okay? Here's the second twist. The second twist is the new owner of the hat is doxed. Twist number 2. Wild, friends. So, this is why the story is just wild, man. It really is wild, friends. I can just show you this picture as well. Here is the strap-on preparation. Here's Catty. Okay, her husband is surfacing. So that's something else. So we thought, just guessing, man. No one knows, man. We thought that the admin owner was going to be anonymous. No one's going to know who they are. Okay, and then that's it. They're going to do stuff in the background. But to our surprise, this is actually what happened. They were allowed to take over Pulse Maker. Okay, so the exploiter, which you know, the friends, the Vietnamese kid, he's dead now. So the exploiter was watching the auctions, and the exploiter let Catty come in and bid for the tokens. Right? She just let him bid for the tokens, and they didn't do anything. You gotta admit, man, it's orchestration, bro. You spent 2 years building this, rating this, preparing for it. Then when the joy hit 0 and the auction started, you weren't interested in any of the tokens at all. You just let some other random doxed person just bid them, which is exactly what happened, right? Are there intentions to peg pDAI by leveraging the Atropa ecosystem? That is, I guess, what it looks like now. Atropa is the MakerDao. With this buying and burning, we don't know what. There might be some rollout of protocols next, like an Aave equivalent, a Curve equivalent. We don't know. We don't know. Okay, people can guess, but look up the stories and twists. Okay, so that's what the person who took over the hat. He was a doxed person. We thought it was going to be anonymous. We're like, let's just sit back. Because remember, Caddy comes in. She goes, malicious actor, I have to act. Could have been someone whispering in her ear, funding her, going, oh, you better help the community. And she did. She came in. The exploiter was shown to be ultimately benevolent. They were cleaning the system while the auctions were running and chose not to participate in them. They saw the doxed wallets bidding and simply stepped aside. Orchestration, bro. pDAI was minted 2 days before the freaking launch. Aave and MakerDao were raided. I think in July 2023, literally raided. They accumulated the tokens to do all these. I think, friends, someone said, now I'm not sure, someone said that she was given 50,000 MakerDao tokens to do this. I'm not sure. Maybe just someone assumed that, but it looks, stuff would happen. You know what I mean? Like there's some Fugazi stuff here. The MakerDao replacement, so that we have like DAI on PulseChain, is being delivered and endorsed. Now, what he's referring to is this video from Witched, where it's right here. So he says in this video, he goes, someone's contacted me. They're building a MakerDao replacement, so we have DAI on PulseChain. Okay, this
a MakerDao replacement so that we have like DAI on PulseChain.
That's what he says. He goes, I've been working with someone contacted me, said they're going to be building a MakerDao replacement, so we have DAI on PulseChain. So we heard that. We go, oh, he said MakerDao. It's probably PulseChain MakerDao. Someone's trying to raid it, but there's a story twist. No. They raided it. They shut down all of MakerDao to stop the minting. Now nobody can go and mint pDAI. Fascinating turn of events, right? That's why these events, fans, remember I showed you this? So it seems to be playing out. It's just the direct part, it hasn't. Okay, it's gone like, oh, we thought it was going to be this person or was that person, right? What part are we up to that he's suggesting? He's suggesting, well, this part, right? And now I'll just be careful with the language, friends, because like a lot of things change. We don't know, man. No crying in the casino, right? See, look at this. Where it seems to be we're at this part. The tune changes. The big man, Witched, points out that the exploit has been resolved. Maybe he can come in and save the day. I don't know what that means. How can he come and save the day? I don't know. Is it going to be him though? Not me. What if it's Atropa Maria? Do you know what I mean? So maybe like DcentraliseMe is looking at this as well. He's like, oh, is Richard going to save it? Or is Maria going to come? Like, what if Maria just starts streaming? The Atropa system starts pumping, right? Maybe just starts streaming. I don't know. Just some stuff's happening. That's some crazy stuff. The price still sits here under 1,000x to $1 out here. Very interesting, man. Man, if this, man, it would be so glorious if this just goes back to here, to where we were. That'd be wild. That'd be absolutely wild. Now, also something which is quite peculiar, quite strange. This is the Maria. This is Maria, okay? Maria Atropa dev. Worked for NASA, super high IQ, wears glittery pants. That's always a joke. They're like, calls himself Maria. He's now Hamad something. I think he's Hamad something, right? Remember when PulseChain guys met with Maria during 2023? So friends, Maria, guys met up with him, right? You guys met up with him, you recorded it. They met up with him. Who's this dude? They asked him about MakerDao. Okay, this was 2 years ago. And he literally said, I don't know about that. He just completely ignored it. He just totally ignored it. Like, I don't know about that. And it was just weird. Because as I watched the movie, I was like, bro, you bought 3 billion pDAI. How don't you know about the protocol that minted that coin? Right? It's literally like you own T-Shares of HEX, but you don't know what HEX is. Like you have HEX stakes, you have T-Shares, and then someone says to you, What do you think about the HEX protocol? You're like, HEX, never heard of it. Don't know what that is. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? You're getting the yield from it. It's literally the same thing. And no one thought anything of it. Well, it could be because they're trying to separate something and just, you know. I commented on this, very suspicious. Like, how didn't you know about MakerDao, bro? You bought 3 billion pDAI. You literally bought like, bro, you bought 20% of the supply of something. You don't know what the hell the protocol is that mints it. Wild, right? Now we see Maria's former worker, Caddy, and her husband take over PulseChain MakerDao and help push pDAI bonding and liquidity pools to match something with Atropa. So we were right. They were pretending not to know about MakerDao. They probably had a fear someone else would disrupt the plan, which we never knew about almost 2 years ago. This pDAI story keeps turning and twisting. It is exciting. My nipples remain pegged out here. Here is it. I feel like they did this to bail out Atropa and pDAI, just a bystander on the main show. My nipples are pegged though. Found this image, so thank you for the victory pegs. Victory pegs right here. Thank you very much, Mr. Boys Club Maximus. So that is a story unfolding right before our eyes. This is what it looks like right here. Man, it's literally, that'll be crazy. Can we just please just get back to like 0.002? We're like resuming exactly where we were. And we just had this giant, massive double bottom thing. Twisting and turning, right? I know the next part of DcentraliseMe, he goes, and then the big man is changing his tune for these 1 or 2 weeks. He's like, it seems, that's why he said in his tweet, the pDAI cancer has stopped. What's happening next? So like, changing his tune. What happens next? I know Mr. DcentraliseMe put Pump City. We want Pump City every single day. Personally, of course, but I'm just happy to hold and stay strong. This is the daily candle. On the 3-day though, if this really is an eat the week thing, it would be nice and glorious if we do continue some friendship to go up higher. Are you buying or crying? Like, subscribe, bell button, or catch you soon.